dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing Nadula Hair. So I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like straight out of the package. So you will get a wig cap inside of your box, and this is the hair straight out of the package. I have not touched it, I have not plucked it or anything. This is their straight unit 13 by 4 HD lace wig. As you guys can see, this is a little bit already slightly pre-plucked for you too as well, which is great. And it comes with pre-baby hair. So I'm excited about trying on this unit. The lace looks good already. I'm showing you guys what the hair looked like straight out of the package like this, because I am going to go ahead and bleach the knots off camera though. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like right out and what you guys will be expecting if you do order this unit. They do give you an adjustable band if you want to add this to the unit. I actually like these because it makes your wigs lay down flat and comfortable. So I would suggest using this, you know. So try it out if you haven't. So this is a 13 by 4 lace, and that's a lot of lace. You do get an adjustable band, and you do get a piece of lace in the back too as well. Comb in the back, and you get 2 combs on the side of the wig. So far, straight out of the package, is very silky, super soft. I can run my hands through it, you know. So very, very good in quality. This is what the lace look before I go ahead and bleach my knots. I love the fact that it's already pre-plucked for me, which is great, and it comes with pre-baby hairs, as you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots off camera, and then come back to you guys and install this unit and style it on so you guys can see how this wig looks like on my head. So I'll be back. So now it's time for me to install this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on. I went ahead and bleached the knots. So as you guys can see, it looks a little bit more like scalp. So you can see it looks a little bit more like actual scalp. So now I'm going to install. I have not plucked it. This is how it looks naturally without it being plucked. This is pre-plucked already for you. So if I do want to go in and do some plucking, if I see something needs to be plucked, then you guys will see me pluck this unit. But for now, I'm not going to pluck it until I put it on my head. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off the unit. You guys are going to be seeing me glue my wig down with this Tresemme Extra Hold. I got the one that has, it's unscented. They do have one where it's like green and black bottle. That's the one that's not, that's the one that's scented. And they just came out with this new one that's unscented. And I like it. It's not too harsh in smell. So this is what I'm using to install. This is the only thing I'm using. This has been my go-to for a minute now. I stopped using the Got2b spray and gel, so this is what I'm using. Check it out if you haven't. It's really good. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and then you guys can watch me while I install. I had already put in my foundation and my cap. I did the stocking cap method. So I am going to pluck a little bit more, as you guys can see, but it looks so good. Like, it looks good the way that this is. I'm just going to show you guys through what it looks like through. As you can see, look at that. I did use my adjustable straps in the back to tighten the wig too as well. It's very comfortable and snug. And I'm going to pluck it on my head after I'm done gluing it down. so to make this comfortable, taking off the extra lace, we don't need that. We want our ears to show. It's very uncomfortable to have that extra lace covering your ear, so what I like to do is I like to just flatten it once the lace is down. So I'm just going to go in and flatten this area to make sure that, you know, and then I'm going to go in and start plucking. I'm using this keratin smoothing oil. I love this right here. This is some good stuff. This is Miracle Gloss and Soothing Spray. It's frizz free too as well. This is really good, so I will definitely screenshot this. Pick this up for your hair. It gives it its gloss and shine and everything that it needs. So do you guys see this lace? You guys probably see a little, it's probably a little white around here, but I'm gonna fix that. That's gonna go away. That's just the glue. If you guys see that on camera, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. So I'm just excited. Like, this lace looks so good. I'm using a little bit of my BB mousse and I'm laying this in the front. I'm gonna do a middle part. And I'm going to use the oil I was talking about, telling you guys about. A little bit right there in the middle. And we're going to do a middle part. I'm going to put down some powder in my part just to make it look even more like a part, you know. Looks so good. So good. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hairs. Like, I can literally just leave it like this. And this hair is naturally flat. I didn't even really lay down the top part of my hair. I did my hairline, but not the top part, and it's so flat. It's not bulky. I hate a bulky wig. So I'm going to run my flat irons through this a little bit and then we should be done. I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this unit. Look how fine this hair is. I have nothing but great things to say. And you guys know I haven't done a wig review in a very long time, and every wig review I've done, I am 100% honest. No matter if this is a promo, a sponsor video, or anything, I'm gonna let you guys know the truth. And this hair is so good. When I say it's bomb, it's bomb. Like, it's so soft. I cannot stop running my hands through it. So soft. It's so good. It doesn't shed. I'm not getting any shedding. Like I did say, the only shedding that I did get is from me plucking my knots, and that's normal. You're going to get some shedding from you plucking. Like, that's normal. I love the hair. I have nothing bad to say about it. Everything will be down below, the direct link to this unit. If you guys love what you see, then make sure you comment down below. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video that you guys would like to know, make sure that you tell me down below and I'll get back to y'all. Comment. If this is your first time watching, subscribe so you can be a part of the baby doll family, okay? So go ahead and subscribe so you can be one of my baby dolls, okay? Because it's lit. So if you want to see more videos like this, if you enjoy my content, then make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I love you, baby dolls. I hope you all enjoyed as much as I did, okay? And I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next video. Mwah. Bye.